DJ Delz.
I'm an addict for sneakers.
What's good? It's your boy DJ Delz back with a brand new episode. We have got to check this out first. We got to check out this package from Ugly Christmas Sweater. We got the Wu-Tang Christmas sweater right here. I must say it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Definitely check them out. Use the code TheSneakerAddict and you will get 15% off. Check out the site that will be linked in the description box below. Alright, so now let's get into these sneakers. I don't think there's much coverage on these shoes, and I think these are so dope, so I wanted to make sure to put a video out there. If there's ever any sneakers you want to see detailed looks with, please hit me up, leave comments on any video, really. Just request it on the newest videos, and I'll try to get some visuals for you all from your boy DJ Delz. These are available now. Retails $220, and I will link more info in the description if you're looking for them. Taking a close-up look, you got your Posite shell, you got nubuck up top with your gold swoosh stitched in, and this Foamposite shell is inspired by a beetle, just so you know. You got your jeweled gold swoosh, which pops like crazy, and then you have that carbon fiber with the gold hits. I like that. I dig it. Then there's a look at the outsole. Check it out. These do feature Zoom Air. You got your pull in the back with your Foamposite text going down in gold with your gold swoosh below that. Nice pop. I love black and gold. Tough combination. Quick look at the medial side as far as the fit to these. I personally like to go true to size. A lot of people will say go up half a size. I've heard people say to go up a full size. You don't want these fitting too long. That's the whole thing. If you have a really wide foot, go up half a size. But if you don't have a wide foot, yes, they're narrow at first, but break them in. That's what you are paying for. You're paying for this polyurethane shell that when you wear like crazy and that heat is applied from your feet, that body heat, it will start molding to your foot after time to get this awesome fit. There's nothing like a broken in pair of Foamposites, I'm telling you now. So that's my advice on sizing. By the way, please show that support. Thumbs up the video, please. Subscribe, of course, if you're new. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content, especially if I go live. You'll be able to watch the live stream. Plus, we also have my Sneaker Addict t-shirts. Support the channel by picking one up today. Fits true to size. Ships worldwide. Now back to the shoes. Bird's eye view. Check it out, going up to your oval laces, mesh tongue with some gold hits going up the tongue right there. Nice pop. And then you have your cased in Air logo with your pull up top right there. You also have gold lace tips, which is a nice touch. And then you have your little booty system with your Nike branding in the footbed. And there you go, close-up HD look. I will put these in the description box below if you're looking for them. Once again, true to size, unless you have a wide foot, go up half a size. Or if you don't care about breaking them in, you want them to fit a little loose, go up half a size. Don't forget also, I showed you guys in the beginning, I wanted to show you guys these Christmas sweaters, holiday sweaters, really awesome quality, and I got the hookup, so use the code TheSneakerAddict. That will be linked in the description box below. There are so many funny Christmas sweaters there, and I definitely recommend you at least going to check it out. You'll get a lot of laughs, even some from movies in the past, like National Lampoons. They got shitters full, like sweater like that. They got all of that, so it's like super funny to check out. So definitely check all that out, and let me know how you feel about Foamposites. I always like hearing people's opinions on them because they're not really so popular right now, so I love to hear from you all. Are these whack? Are these trash? Are Foamposites dead? Will they ever make a big comeback? Or I don't care about this, down the third. I love Foamposites. I'm a ride or die fan when it comes to the Foamposites. Me personally, that's how I get down, ride or die when it comes to the Foamposites, and I think this is a really awesome colorway. And I just am a little surprised that there's not much talk about it, but I feel like a lot of media out there, they're very misleading toward the public. A lot of these guys, they're, you know, getting paychecks from brands, or they just push whatever they know they're gonna get tons and tons of views from. But me, I'm always gonna review that sneaker even if there's no hype. If I think it's a cool pair of sneakers, I'm the damn sneaker addict. I'm gonna review that damn sneaker. That's just how it goes down with your boy DJ Delz. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all have a great day, and I really mean it. And with that said, I'll be back really soon. We out.